Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about standard electrode potential. To know about a standard electrode potential, first of all we know about a standard hydrogen electrode. Let us see the figure. In this figure we will find that this is a platinum wire and it is sealed in glass tube and has a platinum foil attached to it. And this platinum foil is coated with finely divided PT platinum electrode. Now it is dipped into an acid solution. Which solution? Acid solution containing H plus ion, and we know that generally acid contain H plus ion, but we have to remember that, and that concentration will be 1 m HCl. 1 m means molarity. Now pure hydrogen gas will be at 1 bar atmospheric pressure and a constant temperature 298 Kelvin. In this situation, this will be a standard hydrogen electrode, and the electrode potential of a metal electrode as determined with respect to standard or normal hydrogen electrode is called a standard electrode. किसी भी इलेक्ट्रोड का अगर इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल अगर हम लोग कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं तो जब तक हम लोग हाइड्रोजन को स्टैंडर्ड नहीं लेंगे तब तक देन वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट. ओके, एंड वी ऑल्सो रिमेंबर दैट practically standard hydrogen electrode is a very difficult task because there are so many problems for making these types of electrodes. First, it is difficult to maintain unit concentration of H plus ion. Second, the hydrogen electrode gets poisoned even in the presence of traces of impurities. And third, it will be also important, and it is difficult to maintain 1 atmospheric pressure of gas uniformly. So these are the reasons. Okay, now we see a standard electrode potential. A standard electrode potential we have discussed. The definition will be the electrode potential of a metal electrode as determined with respect to a standard or normal hydrogen electrode is called a standard electrode potential. It is denoted by E naught. Okay, and a standard hydrogen electrode is also known as SHE in short form, and NHE also. Okay, normal hydrogen electrode. In the next video we will discuss about how we will measure the electrode potential of Zn2 plus or copper electrode with the help of a standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, thank you.